You may lose 37 lakh rupees without making any obvious mistake. Most salaried professionals got a raise last year. Their phone upgraded, their rent went up, their weekend plans got more expensive. But their SIP, still the same amount they set in 2019. That gap between your growing income and your frozen SIP is quietly costing you lakhs. I call it the frozen SIP trap. And almost every salaried professional in India is standing in it right now. And fixing it takes exactly one decision. A 34-year-old engineer I spoke to recently started a 10,000 rupee SIP 5 years ago. His salary has gone from 80,000 rupees to 1.8 lakh rupees. His lifestyle grew, his SIP didn't. When I ran the numbers, the difference between what he had and what he could have had with a simple 10% annual step up. A flat 10,000 rupees SIP for 15 years at 12% builds approximately 50 lakh rupees. The same 10,000 rupees SIP with just a 10% increase every year could build 87 lakh rupees. Same discipline, one smart adjustment, 37 lakh rupees more. He hadn't done anything wrong. He just hadn't done this one thing right. This is called a step-up SIP, and it is one of the most underused tools in personal finance. Here's how it works. You start your SIP at 10,000 rupees. Every year, on your work anniversary or your birthday or January 1st, you increase it by 10%. Year 1, 10,000 rupees. Year 2, 11,000 rupees. Year 3, 12,100 rupees. It doesn't feel dramatic, but the math compounds in a way your salary never will. A flat 10,000 rupees SIP over 15 years at 12% returns builds approximately 50 lakh rupees. The same 10,000 rupees with a 10% annual step up could build 85 to 90 lakh rupees. Same fund, same return, same 15 years. One small adjustment nearly doubled the corpus. That extra 35 to 40 lakh rupees came from nothing more than letting your SIP grow alongside your income. But here's why most people don't do this. And it's not what you think. It's not laziness, it's not ignorance. It's something more psychological and more dangerous. Stay with me. When your income grows, your expenses grow to meet it. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is completely natural. But here's the problem. When you have 20,000 rupees extra per month, your mind immediately has 10 ideas for where it can go. A slightly better apartment, a slightly newer car, a slightly more expensive holiday. An SIP increase, that can happen next month, next year, after things settle down. But next year becomes the year after, and the year after becomes 5 years later. And 5 years later, you're still at 10,000 rupees. The rule I follow is simple. For every 100 rupees of salary increase, send at least 30 rupees to your SIP before it reaches your lifestyle. Pay your future self before your present self finds a way to spend it. The engineer I mentioned, here is what I showed him on that spreadsheet. He set up his step-up SIP this month, 10,000 rupees increasing by 10% every year. I showed him a 15-year projection. At year 15, his portfolio could be nearly 85 lakh rupees, compared to 50 lakh rupees if he had stayed flat. He didn't change his fund, he didn't take on more risk, he didn't start a new SIP, he just let the existing one grow with him. That one decision made today could be worth 35 to 40 lakh rupees to his future self. What is your current SIP amount? Comment below. 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees or more. And next week, I'll show you the other mistake that silently damages SIP wealth, stopping your SIP when the market falls. Because increasing your SIP helps you build wealth faster, but stopping it at the wrong time can break the entire journey. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Smart Finances with Ajay, because your money deserves better than noise.